Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in your Monzo account in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to simply launch your Monzo application and then provide your login credentials and login into your account. Now you will have a bunch of different options with the help of which you can deposit money into your Monzo account. Like you can get your salary paid straight in your Monzo account, you can make a bank transfer, you can pay in cash. So first of all, you need to select which method do you want to use. Now I'm assuming that you want to deposit your money or add money in your account with the help of the bank transfer. So if you want to do that, you will need your Monzo account number and the sort number, which you can find in the account tab of your Monzo. Then whichever banking application you are using, from there you need to simply send the money to your Monzo account by using those sort code number and the account number, and this way you will be able to send money to your Monzo account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.